This tree clings to cliffs, lives 1,000 years, and bleeds crimson. This is the Pohutukawa, New Zealand's iconic coastal tree. Known as the New Zealand Christmas tree, it erupts in blazing red flowers every summer, painting the coastline in color while most of the world shivers through winter. Pohutukawa can live over 1,000 years. Its aerial roots grip bare rock and cliff faces so fiercely it earned the name Iron Tree. At Te Araroa on the East Cape, the largest known specimen, spreads its canopy roughly 38 meters wide and is estimated to be over 600 years old. The brilliant flowers aren't petals at all, they're dense clusters of crimson stamens. And they feed some of New Zealand's most treasured birds, Chhaya and bellbirds that come for the rich summer nectar. In Māori tradition, a famous Pohutukawa at Cape Reinga, over 800 years old, marks the place where spirits of the dead depart for the afterlife. Plant Pohutukawa in spring to early summer when the soil is warm. It thrives in full sun and handles sandy, rocky, even volcanic soils, but it needs good drainage. Give it space. Mature trees can spread well beyond 10 meters, so plant at least 8 to 15 meters from structures. Do plant it in coastal, frost-free gardens where it can anchor soil and shelter wildlife. Don't plant it in frost-prone inland areas. Heavy frost below -2 degrees can kill it. And always keep an eye out for myrtle rust, an emerging fungal threat to all myrtaceae in New Zealand. A tree that grows from bare rock, feeds birds through the summer, and stands for centuries. The Pohutukawa doesn't just survive the coast, it defines it. Restore, protect, inspire.